Hey, hey, hey. Yes, indeed. It's another day. Just so great. Again, it is. I hold my camera on a tripod, and I could probably take my thumb, tap the screen. You think a touch of stop would be great for the DJI Osmo Action 4? Or we all could play, just like on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Oh, why we got canceled recording? I liked the record button being where I was able to tap it to stop recording. Then slip my camera down to hit the stop recording. Oh yeah, the lights are on for the boats going out for fishing. Yeah, I woke up to a good email today, man. It was a nice email. But let me get to this before the lights turn off. Is that light ruining your shot? Well, I know when I get to, you got it, the 9 o'clock position. And when it's at about 2 o'clock on this camera, like here, you got the flare. There is no way you can see that flare coming across this mighty fine screen. So let me just bring it to the other side. Oh, I'm not smooth on my panning today, but at least I got it with the lights on. Oh, I left 1 minute early. So, do lights ruin your shot? They don't ruin mine at all. Does sound ruin your shots? Not at all. Does camera ruin your shots? Not at all. It almost looked like a snowman, but the band is playing your tune. They got that drum beat going. I got another cruise ship in, and I'm not even going to be near the pier to get the shot where that freight is at. Oh yeah, that's moving mighty quick. Another 5,000 coming in. Well, that has an X on top, and that is Celebrity. Not a new ship. I don't recall them having a royal blue bottom. Yeah, man. Story of lights. Well, yeah, I made it down. I had a good ride. Yes, indeed. I'm at the finish line. But I missed the cruise ship. It's already in the harbor. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Come on, man, let's go. That's really cheap. Oh yeah, have some fun with the kids. Get on out there. How's that shot look to you? It's lit up again. At least you get to see my background. I'm gonna head on down to the pier, the end of the pier, and take a little look. Overlooking. And you get to see the light lit up. Yeah, the seats are wet, but the lights are on, and the camera's got action. But I'm tilting too far up for you. Sometimes it depends on the shots you are after to get the shots you want. Well, you got a bunch of stringers up here. That should do a good job. Well, I'm gonna get on out of here. We'll finish my ride. We'll have a pleasant day. Because I doubt you can hear a word I say if I talk in a nice, natural voice and no mic on. Yesterday it was running and I wasn't near to capture a shot. But here we are today, getting that shot. My wall got some paint on it. It's got some fish. Oh, yeah. They didn't finish it all, but they're trying to get it done for me. Oh, man. The wind!